This is the story of our land, once fertile, now struggling, but what if there was a way to heal the earth, to bring it back to life? What if the solution lies not just in sustaining, but in regenerating? Regenerative agriculture isn't just a method, it's a mindset. It's about working with nature, not against it. It's about rebuilding the soil, restoring biodiversity, and reconnecting with the rhythms of the earth. From no-till farming to holistic grazing, regenerative agriculture is a tapestry of practices that heal the land. It's about creating ecosystems that thrive, not just survive. When I started regenerating my land, I saw life return, not just in the soil, but in the birds, the bees, and even my community. Healthy soil captures carbon, fights climate change, and grows nutrient-rich food. It's a win-win for people and the planet. This isn't just farming, it's a movement. It's about leaving the land better than we found it. Regenerative agriculture is more than a solution. It's a promise. A promise to future generations that we can heal the earth, one field at a time. The question is, will you join the journey? Because the future of farming isn't just about growing food, it's about growing